Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In our previous video, we made mention of 6 articles of faith, which are believe in Allah, believe in angels, believe in the messengers of Allah, the books He gave to these messengers, believing in the last day, which is the day of judgment, where accountability will take place, and believing in destiny, whether good or bad. This time we are going to take them one by one to go a bit into details of what they mean. The first, which is the foremost and the most important one, is to believe in Allah. Allah the Almighty said in Quran chapter 47 verse 19 to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, فَاعْلَمْ أَنَّهُ لَا إِلَهَ إِلَّا اللَّهِ. He said to the Prophet, know and tell your people that there is none worthy of worship except Allah. You should believe that nothing that deserves to be worshipped except Allah. Allah is the creator of the heavens and the earth. He existed and He owns everything in this world. He should be worshipped. Never have the perception of the people who say this world just came into existence just by chance, or maybe people just came just like that. There are people who are known as atheists who do not believe in the existence of God. No, Allah the Almighty really exists. He created you and I. He created this world, the universe, and He created whatever is found within it. And He deserves to be worshipped. And this is the main reason why we humans are created, and that is to serve God and worship Him. God the Almighty created us, and He sent messengers from among us to remind us on what to do. That is why we have the messengers. We will come to believing in the aspect of the messengers. But Allah the Almighty is one, and He is unique, He is alone, and He should be worshipped. Allah the Almighty said in another verse, وَاعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ وَلَا تُشْرِكُوا بِهِ شَيْئًا. And worship Allah and do not associate a partner with Him. So my dear brothers and sisters, believe in Allah and know that He is the creator of the world and all that which is found within it. And you should worship Him because He deserves to be worshipped. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.